Hello students, welcome to JSM. In previous video, I have explained types of hydrogen bonds. Types of hydrogen bonds. So that is based on the bonds forming between atoms. For example, if it is the hydrogen bond is existing within the molecule, so that is known as what? Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. For example, hydrogen bond is existing between molecules. So that is known as what? Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. So now in this video I am going to explain types of hydrogen bond based on energy. So now here this is based on energy. Here we are classifying this hydrogen bond, symmetrical hydrogen bond and unsymmetrical hydrogen bond. Based on energy, we are classifying these hydrogen bonds are two types, that is symmetrical hydrogen bond and unsymmetrical hydrogen bond. So first one is what? Symmetrical hydrogen bond. Symmetrical hydrogen bond. Okay, so now what is symmetrical hydrogen bond? Say for example, a molecule AH is forming hydrogen bond with A. So now in this AH molecule, the distance between A and H, and now this is the hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is forming with A. So now distance between hydrogen and this A. So now here it is the distance between in this molecule A and H is I am taking as D1. So now this is the distance I am taking as D2. So now if it is D1 is equals to D2, so that is known as what? Symmetrical hydrogen bond. Okay, so now here it is a unsymmetrical hydrogen bond. Okay, unsymmetrical hydrogen bond. Here also I am taking same example. A molecule AH is forming hydrogen bond with A. So now the distance between A and hydrogen in the molecule is D1, and now this is the hydrogen to this A is D2. So now condition is what? If D1 is not equals to D2, that is known as what? Unsymmetrical hydrogen bond. In general, in case of symmetrical hydrogen bond, so bond energy is greater than 42 kilojoules per mole. In case of unsymmetrical hydrogen bond, it is less than 42 kilojoules per mole. So now in symmetrical hydrogen bond, particular example I am taking, that is KHF2, and for unsymmetrical hydrogen bond, example is hydrogen fluoride. So now KHF2 on dissociation it gives K plus HF2 minus, so that HF2 minus again it gives what? F minus plus H plus. F minus plus H plus. So now this is the F minus is forming bonds with what? HF. So now here it is what? Fluorine hydrogen forms bond with F minus hydrogen fluorine. Okay. So now here very simple hydrogen fluoride. So that is HF. 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 H. So now in case of symmetrical hydrogen bond, so this is what? It is a dipole. It is a dipole. So it is what? Partially it gets positive charge, partially it gets negative charge. Here also same partial positive charge, partial negative charge. So this is what? This is ion. This is what? This is a ion. So now here it is what? It is a dipole. It is ion. It is also dipole. Okay, na? So now it is what? Ion dipole interactions here. Ion dipole interactions. But here, so this is what? Partially negative charge, partially positive charge, positive charge, negative charge, positive charge. This is a negative charge. So complete it is what? It is a dipole. It is also a dipole. So it is also a dipole. So now here only dipole interactions are there. So now here it is what? Ion dipole interactions are there. So we know that ion dipole interactions having more strength when compared to dipole interaction.